Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for John Deere owners, the PetMigo 2-pack deck spindle set. If you're looking to keep your John Deere mower in top shape, this is one of the best options out there. Let's get into why. First off, this set is specifically designed for John Deere 42-inch mower decks, compatible with models like the L100, L105, L107, and more. It's crucial to pick the right parts for your mower, and PetMigo ensures a perfect fit. These spindles are built to last, featuring robust construction that stands up to tough mowing conditions. Whether you're tackling thick grass or uneven terrain, durability is key, and PetMigo delivers. Installing these spindles is a breeze, even if you're not a seasoned mechanic. They come with everything you need for a straightforward setup, saving you time and frustration. Now, let's talk performance. The PetMigo spindles provide smooth operation, ensuring your mower deck runs efficiently. They maintain blade alignment, which is crucial for a clean and even cut. PetMigo stands behind their product with a generous 1-year warranty. If you have any issues or questions, their customer support is responsive and helpful. To wrap it up, if you're in need of replacement spindles for your John Deere mower, the PetMigo 2-pack deck spindle set is a solid choice. It combines durability, ease of installation, and great performance, all at a reasonable price point. Plus, with the peace of mind of a warranty, it's hard to beat. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews like this one. See you next time.